too sure. Like,
It's recording.
oh! Okay. I'm Professor MacIntosh. I'm here today to teach you about the wonderful world where monkeys live. Monkeys regularly eat bananas. If you don't know what a banana is, you're a complete idiot. Get out of my class. The monkeys get the protein from the bananas so they can run fast and climb trees. They use their tail to climb too, but we don't need to get into that. Monkeys are distant relatives of the humans, I think. The elephants. Not too sure. But I know monkeys have feet, and they use them as their hands, and they bring poo. Trust me, everyone. Come to. Don't understand me at all. They'll throw poo at you. Now back to my lesson. Monkeys also eat watermelon.
What the hell?
No, they eat rotten bananas. They use the rotten bananas to soak their hands in the grease. And when they do, they lick it off. And they climb a coconut tree. And when they climb the coconut tree, they throw the coconuts at each other till it breaks. Like dodgeball. That's for dodgeball, right, Nick? My top A student right here. A plus.
Is this for me?
Megan! You are not paying attention to my class! I will explain now the theory of leprechauns. Leprechauns are like monkeys except short and no tail and funny hands and they're green and they have lots of gold. But we don't do things. My top student here met a leprechaun. His name was Joe. Excuse me? Lemurs are very cool. They're very stiff monkeys. Excuse me! Sir, I'm talking, and I want to finish this class.
I'm going for pizza.
I say pizza. That's a show. Hello.